Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very stylish and stunning and hot selling collection of polka dot dresses. Today in this video you will see the most stylish, most unique and hot selling collection of polka dot maxi dress design with in different style and different color. Different stitching ideas you will see in this video. I hope so you are gonna love this collection and this video gonna very useful for you, so just watch my video till the end. You will get new ideas, new designs of polka dot dresses from this video. You will see more stylish and classy polka dot dress designs in this video within different designs, ruffle style designs and long maxi dress design, long frock dress design, belted dress design ideas of polka dot you will see in this video. I hope so this video gonna very useful for you and you can get many ideas and many new styles are from this video, so just watch this video till the end. If you are loving these polka dot dress designs ideas, please do also like my video and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get my notification. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this design of polka dot dresses. For those women who love to wear polka dot dress design ideas, I hope so this is the best collection for them. So please, if you are loving these designs ideas, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so I may bring useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you, and thank you so much for watching my video. But keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collection, and don't forget to like, share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends.